Hello everyone, my name is Deepak. Today I want to share why I want to learn English. I was not confident in speaking before. When I tried to speak on camera or even with people, I used to forget what to say and I felt nervous and stuck. That's why I decided to improve my English. I want to learn English because it helps me to grow. It will help me speak confidently, make better video and share my story with more people. I also want to improve my career. Good English makes communication easier in city like Hyderabad, Bangalore. For me, English is just not a language. It is a skill that give me confidence and new opportunities. I want to speak clearly, express my thoughts and feel proud of myself. This is the reason I am learning English step by step and every day. Thanks for watching.